Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Speech acts in the utterance of a sentence that is determines the meaning of the sentence. However, the meaning of a sentence is not determined by the only act of words as it is applies in the sentence being spoken, but always in principle the possibility of expressing precisely the intent of the speaker. Therefore, it is possible for the speaker to say a unique sentence in each speech act because he or she tries to adjust the utterance to the context. In such a sense, the study about the meaning of the sentences and the study of speech acts are not two separate studies, but one study with two different points of view. Speech act theories is theory that is more likely to examine the meaning of sentences rather than theories which are more likely to try to analyze sentence structure. Politeness is a fundamental thing in pragmatics because politeness is a universal phenomenon in the use of language in social context. In general, politeness is defined as social propriety, which is an act where a person shows regular behavior and respects others in accordance with the norms prevailing in society. Local language and culture play a significant role in language politeness in Indonesia to form a positive character. Based on linguistic facts, polite use of Indonesian is influenced by regional language entities and culture. So something that is considered polite by certain cultures is not necessarily considered polite by other cultures. This is because the language used is determined by context. Pragmatics examines meaning that is tied to context. SMPN 1 Karang Tanjung is the school where I have studied and graduated, so I am familiar with the teacher. SMPN 1 Karang Tanjung meets criteria of the research because it is a superior school in the Pandeglang Regency. Based on the statements, I have interest to identify the politeness speech act by teacher and students at SMPN 1 Karang Tanjung and do the research with the title An Analysis of Politeness Speech Acts produced by teacher and students in learning process at SMPN 1 Karang Tanjung. This research will examine the politeness of the teacher and student politeness speech acts. Politeness speech acts are the ideal use of language in communication with speech partners from various ethnic groups and nations. This research focuses on the strategy of speech act politeness used by the teacher and students in classroom. Strategies for the politeness of speech acts are strategies used by someone in speaking politely to optimize communication goals and avoid attitudes that impact communication in the form of threats to the comfort of speakers and their partners. It is hoped this will be beneficial for everyone included in the research and those who read the result of the research as additional literature for academic purposes. Thank you and see you again.